Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peach cornbread full guide. Start by measuring cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt into a bowl and whisk briefly. Peel and slice 2 peaches and set aside. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg with 1 cup milk and melted butter, then fold wet ingredients into dry until just combined, stirring gently to avoid overmixing. Once the wet and dry ingredients are ready, gently combine them until the batter is just moistened and still slightly lumpy for tender crumb. Fold in the peach slices carefully so they stay intact and distribute evenly throughout the batter. Scrape the bowl with a spatula and avoid overmixing, which toughens cornbread. Transfer to a greased pan, smooth the top, and get ready to bake for a golden crust and juicy fruit pockets. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up Darn Tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They feel great after kitchen shifts and long grocery runs. I love how they keep my feet happy while baking and testing cornbread. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in a preheated 375 degrees F oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean. Allow the cornbread to rest for about 10 minutes so the crumb firms up and the peach juices redistribute. Slice into squares and serve warm with butter, a drizzle of honey, or a spoonful of yogurt to balance sweetness and add creaminess to each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.